Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to fix error the Tailwindcss do not work or do not apply in the NextJs framework. Framework can be a NextJs or Vite. Now let's start. You can see in this case I use Vite framework. You can see you can see I use stack ViteXL and stack euro 600, but it's not applied. Any error here. Let's fix this. First, you need to queue your running project by press Ctrl and C. After that, you go Tailwindcss home page. I will do again. Here you can see you go Tailwindcss and press get started. In here you choose framework guides and to NextJs or Vite. I will choose Vite. Now we will reinstall Tailwindcss and auto freezer. Here you can copy code and paste here and paste in command line. Sorry. Once done, when it's reinstall Tailwind config like this, copy this code and paste in command line again. I will copy and replace Tailwind config.js for sure my resolution. Here we go Tailwind config and paste code here. Replace all code. Save. So you have config Tailwindcss in your index.css like this. Here, I paste it here. We will run project again. Now see the result. Oh, sorry. Here. Yes. You can see it's Tailwind apply in project. With the text ViteJs and take color yellow 600. If it still not work, you can use a create a new project with guide in a Tailwind document like this. Go Tailwind. Go TailwindCSS space get start. Choose framework guide. Next by generate and you create a width guide here. Create next app and install Tailwind process auto research and initialize Tailwind CSS copy config Tailwind copy code into Tailwind config.js. Copy config of Tailwind into the CSS global, and after that run the project to test. I hope the video can help you. Thanks for watching and see you later.